Do you ever feel like you study for hours but still don't get the results you want? Or maybe you keep telling yourself, "I'll start tomorrow," and tomorrow never comes? Well, today, I'm going to share 5 powerful study habits that will completely change your academic life forever. These aren't random tips. They're science-backed and used by top-performing students around the world. So listen carefully. Habit 1. Study with a plan. The first habit is having a study plan. Most students just open their books and start reading. That's not studying, that's wandering. A plan gives your brain direction and purpose. Before you start, ask yourself, what subject am I focusing on? What do I want to achieve by the end of this session? How much time will I give myself? Even a simple 10-minute plan can save you hours later. Use a planner, a phone calendar, or an app like Notion or Google Tasks. Because when you plan your study time, your brain prepares to focus. Habit 2. Follow the Pomodoro technique. The second habit is the Pomodoro technique. Study smart, not long. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This method trains your brain to focus in short bursts, and it keeps you from burning out. You'll be amazed how much more you can remember when your brain isn't overloaded. Habit 3. Active recall. Don't just read, test yourself. Here's the truth. Reading alone doesn't make you remember. Your brain learns best when it's challenged to recall information. This is called active recall. Instead of rereading your notes, close your book and try to explain what you just learned. You can quiz yourself, use flashcards, or write short summaries from memory. It's like turning your brain into a gym. Every recall strengthens your memory muscle. 4. Teach what you learn. The best way to master something is to teach it, even if no one's listening. When you explain a topic to someone else, you realize how well you actually understand it. Grab a friend, or even talk to your mirror. If you can't explain it simply, it means you don't understand it deeply enough yet. So go back, fill in the gaps, and then explain it again. It's one of the secrets of top students everywhere. Habit 5. Consistency over perfection. The final habit, and the most important one, is consistency. It's not about studying 10 hours in one day, it's about studying a little every day. Even 30 minutes daily beats cramming the night before an exam. Why? Because learning is about repetition. Small efforts add up over time. So stop chasing perfect study sessions. Focus on progress, not perfection. Because success isn't built in one night, it's built every single day. Remember, great students aren't born, they're built through habits. Start applying even one of these today, and watch your academic life transform. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs it. And in the comments, tell me which study habit you'll start with today.